Hey, this is Mike Barker at Four Seasons RV in Medicine Hat. Just going through the layout here on the 2608 Forest River Rockwood ultralight here. Just going to be kind of touching base on the outside and then go through the inside, show you some of the options in it as well. So we'll get started here on the front. There is just the travel cover from when this was delivered. It does not come with the trailer. Retractable stabilizers, powered, storage up front. Full power awning. Outside shower. City water connection. Black flush tank. Winterizing. And a nice little light, docking light right here. Ladder with a full walkable roof. Storage access on the outside here with slam latches. Alright. Power tongue jack. 230 pound propane tanks. Battery compartment there. Stair light on the outside. Friction hinge door. It's good for about 30 kilometers an hour wind. Solid steps coming into the trailer here. Knife block there behind the stove top. Split sink, drying rack and cutting board, microwave, Power lumbar on this coach here. It does recline too as well. Door to access to the bedroom. Walk-through bathroom here. Porcelain toilet. Good for easy cleaning. Nice little pocket door here. So, secondary entrance with a solid step to the bedroom. Solar monitoring. So this gives you just a bit of a run through here on this trailer. All right, let me know what you think.